I hope you'll come to my open house. Watch my video, but this is a property you'll want to see in person. Get swept away by the views, both inside and out, in this completely renovated beachfront condo. Located in the Carriage Club, at Old Naples condominium adjacent to the Moorings Beach Park, this 2-bedroom, 2-bath penthouse unit was taken down to the studs and rebuilt with nothing but luxury in mind. The brand new kitchen features natural Taj Mahal quartzite countertops and ample storage in the custom cabinetry. Porcelain tile floors will accompany you throughout the living space, while the master bath features polished marble tile floors and walls. A wall of impact-resistant sliders open to the balcony overlooking the sandy beach and turquoise waters of the Gulf of Mexico. The Carriage Club has been recently repainted, re-roofed, and new pavers installed. Contact me to learn more about this listing and any of the properties in Old Naples, Moorings, and Park Shore.